In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Emergent AI in GitHub. Start by opening Emergent in your browser. When the homepage loads, you'll notice several project starters laid out for you. There's a full stack app for end-to-end web projects, a mobile app option if you're targeting phones and tablets, a landing page for quick marketing sites, and a brainstorm space to explore ideas before you build. Take a moment to look around so you know what each area is for and where you'll be working. For this walkthrough, we'll work in the Full Stack app. Go ahead and open that. Inside, you'll see a prompt area where you describe what you want to build. Right next to it, look for the GitHub icon. Click that icon to connect your Emergent workspace with a GitHub repository. This link is what lets Emergent read and write code as it scaffolds your project. You'll now see options for private repository and public repository. Public repositories are visible to everyone, which can be fine for open source work. Private repositories are restricted to people you explicitly grant access to, which is typically best for in-progress or proprietary projects. Explore both options so you're familiar with them then. For this example, choose the private repository path so your code stays limited to your team. At this point, Emergent will show your GitHub connection status. If you're already connected, you'll see a clear connected message and can proceed. If you're not connected yet, Emergent will prompt you to establish that link. Click Add New GitHub Organizations to make sure Emergent can see the repositories in the organizations where you plan to work. This step ensures the correct scopes are granted at the organization level, not just your personal account. When the authorization window appears, select Verify or Authorize. Follow the on-screen instructions from GitHub to confirm the connection. You may be asked to check your email to complete verification. Open the message from GitHub, confirm the request, and return to Emergent to continue. If your organization has stricter security settings, an owner might need to approve the integration. Plan a quick check-in with them if you don't see access right away. Once authorization is complete, come back to Emergent and confirm the status shows connected. From here, you're set to work within the Full Stack app using your private repository as the code destination. A quick tip before you move on: review your repository permissions periodically to keep access minimal and secure, and make sure you're working in the correct organization so Emergent can find the right repo every time. That's it. You've seen Emergent's workspace, chosen the Full Stack app, opened the GitHub connector, reviewed public versus private options, and completed the organization authorization and verification flow.